Hi guys, welcome back. Miss Jo here. Hope you're ready for part 2 of today's science lesson. So let's finish up talking about all of the bird-hipped dinosaurs. And the first group of them are the Ornithopods, or bird-footed dinosaurs, that mostly walked on 2 legs, so that means they're bipedal, and they had 3 toes, and all of them were herbivores. And the group of dinosaurs we call hadrosaurs were the most common of the ornithopods. And the name means bulky lizard, but a better name would actually be billed lizard. You see, these dinosaurs had an elongated face that ended in a broad, flattened snout. And in some species, the snout was so flat that it actually resembled a duckbill. As a result, these dinosaurs are often called duck-billed dinosaurs, and their remains have been found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. So let me show you a skeleton. See how its snout really does look like a duckbill. That's crazy, right? And the bill of the hadrosaur had no teeth, but this dinosaur could have more than 1,000 teeth in the back of its mouth. And these teeth, called cheek teeth, helped it to grind rough vegetation so that it would be easier to digest. And some scientists believe that hadrosaurs ran on 2 feet, but that they could get down on all 4s when they were grazing. Some had elongated crests on the top of their head and others didn't, but in general their sizes range from about 10 feet to 40 feet long, which is still pretty big, right? Paleontologists think that there were at least 5 species that belonged to the Iguanodon genus of ornithopods. So the name actually means iguana teeth because these dinosaurs have teeth that strongly resemble those of an iguana. And remains of these dinosaurs have been found in Europe, Africa, North America, and Asia. The first Iguanodon was found in England and named well before the dinosaur word had been used. So the man who discovered it thought it was some large extinct reptile. However, he wasn't aware that it was really different from a lizard. Later, miners found a group of 31 iguanodons together. They had obviously been suddenly buried together. So in addition for evidence for the flood, this actually suggests that they were social creatures. They had a spiked thumb on each hand, which is believed to have been used for defense or to strip leaves off of tree branches. I'll show you a drawing of what someone thinks the iguanodon looked like. See? Just like that. It's pretty cool, right? That they found all of them buried together. Another set of interesting bird-hipped lizards can be found in the genus Hypsilophodon, which means high-crested tooth. This smaller dinosaur was about 6 to 7 feet in length, which is still as long as like a grown man is tall. And its remains are found in Europe. It had smaller front arms that extended in 5-fingered hands, and its longer rear legs ended in 4-toed feet. It had a horned beak, cheek pouches where it stored food like a chipmunk. That's crazy, guys. And a mouth full of cheek teeth. Close to 20 of these dinosaur fossils were found together on an island in Great Britain. And this makes us believe that it was another social dinosaur that needed to be around large groups of dinosaurs like itself. So, although we have not come close to covering every type of dinosaur that paleontologists think once existed, we've done a good overview of the major ones. So they all have similarities, right? And even though the appearances of these dinosaurs vary quite a bit, there are only a couple basic body plans for dinosaurs. So bird-hipped and lizard-hipped, right? And within these groups, there are really only a few basic distinctions. So what can we conclude from this? So do you remember when we talked about how the Bible says that creatures reproduce after their own kind? Well, many of the similarities among dinosaurs tell us that while there are many species of dinosaurs, there were probably only a few original kinds of dinosaurs. And we'll talk more about this tomorrow when we talk about why there aren't dinosaurs today. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. But for now, I want you, if you haven't already done it, to do the Your Favorite Dinosaur page with 3 interesting facts about that dinosaur, if you haven't already done that. And then do the Map It section. And I'll put the list in the description box below of all of the dinosaurs and where they're found. So you can go ahead and write them on the map. For instance, the T-Rex is found in North America. So on North America, you can write T-Rex. Or you can write out Tyrannosaurus Rex. That's a big, long word to write out. But anyways, I'll have that for you in the description box. And I will see you in tomorrow's video. That's it. Okay, guys. Bye.